In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use screen record feature in StreamYard 5 minutes. If you want clean screen recordings without going live, StreamYard makes it simple. We'll walk from setup to recording to downloading your file with a few pro tips along the way. First, log into your StreamYard account and head to the dashboard. Instead of creating a live broadcast, choose recording. This puts you in a private, offline session made just for capture. Give your recording a clear title so it's easy to find later, then click Create Recording to enter the studio. In the preview area, open settings and double-check your camera, microphone, and speakers. Select the right devices, speak to make sure the meter moves, and adjust volume if needed. Wearing headphones and enabling echo cancellation can help prevent feedback and keep your audio crisp. Enter your display name so viewers know who's speaking, then click Enter Studio. Now it's time to bring in your screen. Click Share and pick what you want to show, your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. For tabs that include audio, don't forget to enable Share Tab Audio. Close any private or distracting items, and if you have multiple monitors, choose the display that contains your content. When you're ready, hit the blue record button in the top right. Take a breath, pause for a second of silence, and then begin speaking. As you record, you can use the pause button to take quick breaks, handy if you need to collect your thoughts or rearrange windows. You can also switch layouts to control what the audience sees, like full screen share, picture-in-picture, or focusing on your camera. These changes appear in the final video, so switch deliberately and give each layout a moment on screen. When you're finished, click the red end recording button. StreamYard will process and save your file. Keep the browser open until the upload completes. To download, return to the dashboard, open past recordings, find your session, and click the three dots. Choose Download to save the video to your computer, and you're done. If you plan to edit, store the file in a project folder so it's easy to locate later. That's all it takes to screen record in StreamYard. Practice with a short test run, check your audio levels, and you'll be producing polished recordings in no time.